Hello everyone and welcome to this week's video tutorial. This will be board number 5 from section 2 of the free ebook that was originally available on the old Xiangqi Federation website. So again we will be dealing with how to use the double cannons chariot combination. So without further ado, let us begin. It will be Red's turn to move. A quick analysis will show that Red would have a full guard, 1 chariot, 2 cannons and 2 pawns. Black would have similar material, 2 cannons, 1 chariot, 3 pawns and a 1 elephant guard. Now positional wise, Red's cannon had already been positioned at the bottom corner and was already attacking the bottom rank. The other cannon and chariot were on the same file, and obviously Red would try to go for a rank checkmate. As for Black, he also had a cannon that was on the bottom rank. It was already hitting the king, but the chariot would also be threatening the king. But at this point in time, there will be no immediate heal for Black. So how can Red continue his attack? The first move will be to play, deliver a check, another check. The king cannot retreat, otherwise it will be an immediate checkmate. Now at this point in time, Red would another check, forcing the king back, and then make this move. This will be the game-winning move for Red. Now this is also perhaps the most important lesson for this board, whereby Red maneuvers his. After a series of check, Red manages to maneuver his cannon to this cannon rank. Now Red is now assured of victory. It follows that Red would now be prepared. Let's say if Black made any other move, Red would deliver a check and see where the king would move. So if the king retreated, this would be a checkmate. Advanced, this would be a checkmate. And the only way that Black can resolve this checkmate would be to sacrifice the chariot to capture the cannon. But in any way, after this trade of material, Red can be guaranteed of victory, because now there will be 1 chariot on the board. Black would have no chariots, and this chariot will become a huge menace. So that is why this would be a winning position. Now what if Black tried to move the king? Again, Red would simply retreat his cannon and be prepared to checkmate. And he would also be assured of victory. So short review of this board. Again, when trying to checkmate with the cannons and chariot, especially when you want to go for rank checkmate, it's very important to try to control the bottom rank, the throat rank, and the cannon rank. So it delivers a check, another check, and forces the king to the cannon rank, whereby he will deliver a third final check before maneuvering his cannon to the cannon rank, Black's cannon rank. So now Red would have managed to control all three ranks, and he could be assured of victory. So this would perhaps be the most important lesson for this board. Now if you like the work that I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.